Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the latest marvel from Apple, the iPhone 16. With every new release, the anticipation and excitement reach new heights. But the question remains, is it truly worth the hype? Today we're exploring the iPhone 16, a device that promises to redefine our smartphone experience, to determine if it truly offers the best value in the current smartphone market. With so many options available, making the right choice can be daunting. Let's delve into its features, pricing, and overall performance to see how it stacks up against the competition. The iPhone 16 maintains Apple's signature sleek design, featuring a durable glass and aluminum body. This combination not only looks premium but also feels robust in hand. It boasts a 6.1-inch OLED display, delivering vibrant colors and deep blacks. Whether you're watching videos, browsing photos, or playing games, the display quality is top-notch. The iPhone 16's design is a testament to Apple's commitment to aesthetics and functionality. The seamless integration of glass and aluminum ensures durability without compromising on style. The 6.1-inch OLED display is perfect for media consumption and daily use. The vibrant colors and deep blacks make every image and video pop. Powered by the A18 processor, the iPhone 16 ensures smooth performance across various applications. From gaming to productivity tasks, this chip handles it all with ease. The A18 processor not only enhances performance but also improves efficiency, contributing to better battery life. This means you can enjoy your iPhone 16 for longer periods without constantly reaching for the charger. The iPhone 16 is equipped with a dual camera setup, including a 48-megapixel main sensor and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens. This combination allows for stunning photos and videos, capturing every detail with precision. Features like Smart HDR5 and Night Mode further enhance imaging capabilities, making it a versatile choice for photography enthusiasts. Whether you're shooting in bright daylight or low-light conditions, the iPhone 16 delivers exceptional results. The iPhone 16 offers reliable battery life, capable of lasting through a full day of typical use. Fast charging support ensures minimal downtime, keeping you connected and productive throughout your daily activities. Starting at $799 for the 128GB model, the iPhone 16 provides a compelling balance between premium features and affordability. It's a strong contender for those seeking value in a smartphone. Its combination of performance, camera quality, and build excellence positions it as a top choice in the market. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a casual user, or someone who relies heavily on their smartphone for work, the iPhone 16 has something to offer. In conclusion, the iPhone 16 is more than just a smartphone, it's a statement of innovation and quality. With its advanced features, robust performance, and sleek design, it stands out in a crowded market. So, is the iPhone 16 worth the hype? Based on our in-depth review, it certainly lives up to the expectations. If you're in the market for a new smartphone, the iPhone 16 should definitely be on your radar. Thank you for joining us in this comprehensive review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights and reviews. Until next time, stay tech savvy.